Hands on heads, eyes on me. 1, 2, 3. Please come and join me for another day of online learning. All right, good morning, lions and cubs. I hope everybody is having a fantastic week. I hope you enjoyed the octopus craft that we worked on yesterday. Let's start with calendar. Does anybody know what day it is today? Yesterday was Monday, so that means that today is Tuesday. Today is, Tuesday. Who remembers what month it is? Third month of the year. January, February, March. It is March. Good job. So today is Tuesday, March. What? Let's count and find out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Good job. It is Tuesday, Tuesday, March 24th. Excellent. Now, I would like to count forwards and backwards and blast off with you. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Good job! Way to go! All right. Quick reminder for my lions. Our letter is V. Vase of violets. Making sure your lips are a little bit open. Your teeth are touching your lip, making that vibrating sound and feeling, making it tickle. Okay, good. And my little cub corner friends, our letter was the letter U. U. Upside down umbrella. Ah, ah, ah. And remember that U can make 3 sounds. It can make our short sound, ah. It can make a long sound, you. And it can make another long sound, ooh. Okay? Upside down umbrella, ah, ah, ah. And vase of violets, good. Okay, let's talk quickly to my lion learners. Everybody should have gotten their name books. Try to make sure you're doing maybe one a day or one every other day, just to keep up. There are, as you go through, you will find different types of pages where you can write your name. You can trace your name. You can rainbow write your name. There are also some ones where you're going to find the letters in your name. So please make sure you go through, circle all the correct letters, and even some, it says I can paste my name. On those, the page behind it will have all the letters that you need to cut out. So remembering our cutting song. How does it go again? Who remembers? I can't hear you. It goes, keep your thumbs up when you cut, when you cut. Snip, snip with scissors, snip, snip with scissors. I can cut, I can cut. All right, good stuff. Also, lions, in your journals, please make sure that you trace your name, write it again 2 more times. Practice the letter, uppercase, lowercase, and if I wrote a word or maybe wrote some numbers or some shapes or things like that, feel free to trace those out and draw a picture. I hope to see some pictures of what you guys are working on. Cubs, you could get your journals out, try tracing your names or writing your names, and draw me a picture. Maybe draw me a picture of what you are doing at home. Maybe draw a picture of your favorite thing to do in the house, your favorite thing to do outside, favorite animal, something that is your favorite color. Anything you want there, Cubs. And then when you're done drawing, tell your mom or dad what it is that you drew, and they can write a little sentence about what it was, okay? Awesome. I'm so glad to see you guys keeping up with me, and I'm looking forward to seeing all the pictures of what you guys are working on during the week. Now, let's do some questions. I've got my bucket of questions again here. Got some good ones. Let's see. All right, Evan, one of my little cub friends asked, is the ocean super big? Yes, yes it is. It covers 71% of the Earth's surface, so more than half, almost 3/4 of the entire Earth is covered by oceans. Okay, it holds, and this is a huge amount, I can't even get into my head, but it holds over 1.3 billion cubic kilometers of water. This means that the ocean even covers the world's deepest canyon and the largest mountain range. So all of these things are in the ocean, and about 90 or more percent of life on Earth is actually in the ocean. So yes, the ocean is super big. Good question, Evan. Let's see, my next question is, Kate in my Lion Learners, is the ocean the same as a lake? Another good question. What makes lakes and oceans different from each other? Any guesses? Well, I'll tell you, one of the biggest things, probably the number one, is that lakes have fresh water, which means we can drink it. It falls from the sky as rain or snow. Okay, now oceans contain salt water. You cannot drink salt water. Okay, and another one would be that lakes are surrounded by land. Okay, the oceans have underwater currents that flow through the ocean, and these help fish and whales and sea turtles migrate around the ocean to find more food or warmer places to travel to and survive. Okay, so good question, Kate. I would like to read you a little story. Let's go with read a book. First, animal facts. Ocean. This is an octopus. Octopuses have 8 wriggly tentacles. Octopus often live in caves. Okay, they like to eat crabs, and octopuses squirt ink when they are scared. The ink helps them to disappear almost. They squirt the ink, and then the predator, the animal that was trying to catch it, or the person that was trying to catch it, can't see them anymore, and they swim away. Okay. These are dolphins. Dolphins love to race and jump. Dolphins live in a group called a pod, and dolphins use echolocation to find fish. A baby dolphin is called a calf. This is a shark. Sharks hide in shipwrecks. Sharks swim while they sleep. Sharks eat fish, and baby sharks are born with lots and lots of teeth. So sharks are kind of special in that they keep growing teeth. If their teeth fall out, they bite something and they lose a tooth, like dinosaurs, their teeth keep growing back in. Okay. This is a whale. Some whales are bigger than boats. The blue whale, in fact, is the biggest animal on Earth. Whales live deep in the ocean. They eat tiny shrimp, and baby whales are even bigger than cars. These are turtles. Sea turtles swim and play in the ocean. Turtles dig holes in the sand to lay their eggs. Turtles eat jellyfish, and a baby turtle is called a hatchling. These are seahorses. Seahorses have curly tails. Seahorses live around coral and they eat plankton. Baby seahorses are called fry. Look how tiny they are. And remember, the very cool thing about seahorses is that their dads have the babies and they mate for life, so they do have families. Remember? These are seals. Seals like to sit in the sun. Seals live on the seashore. Seals eat salmon, and baby seals are called pups. These are crabs. Crabs have snippy, snappy claws. Crabs hide under rocks, and some crabs live in shells. Baby crabs are called larvae. Larvae, sorry. They are called larvae. Now, some crabs have their own shells, and some of them, like hermit crabs, have to go and find shells. And they would look for, oftentimes, shells like these that they could crawl into, and then they would carry around on their backs. These are penguins. Penguins like to dive and swim. Penguins live on the ice. Penguins eat squid and other fish, and a baby penguin is called a chick. These are starfish. Starfish are star-shaped. Of course. Starfish love to live in rock pools. They move very, very slowly. And starfish eat clams, and baby starfish hatch from eggs. The end. All right, so today on Tuesday, I won't be demonstrating a craft today. So I think just go ahead and work in your journals and maybe do some free kind of art. Maybe play with some Play-Doh or some slime if you're up for making it. See what else you can find out about the ocean. All right, I posted that neil.fun/deep-sea site. Very cool. Check that out. Look at all the different animals that live in the sea. We have Gabe's question in my Lion Learner class. Why are fish colorful? So fish use their bright colors to camouflage in order to either catch their prey so they have something to eat, or to hide from their predators so that they themselves don't get eaten. So that is why fish have different colors. Okay, let's see, I've got 2 more questions here. Okay, Madden, another one of my lion friends, asked, are killer whales friends with dolphins? A little bit of a tricky question, but I found out something that I didn't even know. Killer whales, they're also called orcas. They are actually the largest member of the dolphin family. They're actually dolphins. However, some orcas, or killer whales, they're a top predator, which means that they will eat just about anything they can catch. So if this is one of the top predators, there are some orcas who they don't stick to a certain area and they'll travel around. They probably wouldn't be seen playing around with dolphins. They might try to eat them. But there are also some orcas who are residents of different areas. There are some in the northern residents near off BC and some off California. They like to eat salmon and other certain smaller kinds of fish. So maybe those would be friends with dolphins. But I thought the most interesting thing was that an orca actually is a dolphin? Good questions. Keep them coming. All right, final question. Do whales have sharp teeth? Great question. There are actually two types of whales. One is a toothed whale. They have teeth. They have a cone-shaped teeth. So think of like an ice cream cone. Okay, so they're going to be round on top and then come to a point. They're going to have a bunch of cone-shaped teeth, okay? And toothed whales actually use their teeth to catch their prey. So they have to be very fast and maybe a little smaller so that they have to, because they have to race after their prey and catch them. They have to bite them. So they do have teeth. Some of them have very sharp teeth. They're called toothed whales. These include orcas and other dolphins and porpoises. These can be considered toothed whales. Okay, they are mammals that live in the ocean that have teeth, and they go out and they catch fish or other whales or dolphins and other things like that. The other type of whale is actually called a baleen whale. Okay, now baleen is used as a sieve or like a colander. So if you guys remember when we had the water table, we had some things in strainers, and I've seen you guys use it in the sand table too. So you pull it up and it's got lots of little tiny holes in it, and you pour stuff in, and some of it drips out and drains out. But bigger things like the shells and the rocks and some of the jewels and things that you guys found in there would stay on top. So that's how they use their baleen, their teeth, which are big plates of, and then have little hairs on them, and they strain out food that get caught then in their teeth, and they use that to catch their prey. So they don't have teeth like a dolphin or another shark or maybe a whale or something like that would have. They have these plates called baleen, and they use them to strain out their food. So maybe ask mom or dad if you could borrow the colander, get a few buttons or pebbles or things like that, and try scooping them up out of some water in the sink and see how baleen works. Okay? All right, Lion Learners, Cub Corner friends, it was so nice to talk with you today. I look forward to our lesson tomorrow. We will have another craft tomorrow, so hang on to some more of that construction paper. Pick out some more of your favorite colors, 2 more favorite colors, and see you then.